What's up guys, it's time to test out the rotatory cameras of the Samsung Galaxy A80. Because of the whole mechanism, the rear cameras are also the selfie cameras, so super interested to see how it's gonna stack up against the Galaxy S10 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. The Galaxy A80 is the best phone in the A lineup and it costs $650, about the same price as the OnePlus 7 Pro, and in some places you might even get the Galaxy S10 at around the same value. So it makes sense to do this comparison. So I'm going to start off with some outdoor daylight sample, and right off the bat all the phones are capable of producing really sharp image, good bokeh. If you're shooting in good amount of light outdoor, the A80 will keep up pretty good, similar to the S10 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now all three phones have their own color science. The OnePlus 7 Pro produces images with slightly more contrast than the Galaxy S10 and A80. The S10 is very balanced and it's the best among all three when it comes to exposing the image, exposing those shadows. It does the best job in that. Dynamic range is excellent. Galaxy A80 is similar to S10, but the colors are not as vibrant, and also we can't say the same with the overall detail. When it comes to portrait mode images, both Galaxy S10 and the OnePlus 7 Pro uses telephoto lens to blur out the background, whereas the Galaxy A80 uses its TOF sensor. It doesn't zoom in, it doesn't need to crop in. The colors are looking really good on the A80 with the direct sunlight shot. OnePlus 7 Pro overexposes the image if you don't tap it while taking the portrait shot, so you have to do a little bit of adjusting. The Galaxy S10 on the other hand looks great and it's sharp as well. Now in this example I asked my bro to tap before taking the portrait image on the OnePlus 7 Pro and the result is a lot better. It's definitely my favorite out of all the three phones. Look at that bench color, I mean it's super popping. The Galaxy A80 has a wider look to it, so slight advantage there, but not impressive when it comes to the colors. It does have a better bokeh though compared to the S10 and OnePlus 7 Pro. The S10 looks a little bit overexposed, but it is definitely vibrant than the A80. Now when it comes to the front camera, I like the bokeh on the A80. Again, if you see the circles in the background, it looks a little bit more natural, but both OnePlus 7 Pro and the S10 are doing a perfect job as far as the colors and the sharpness is concerned. With the skin tones, I kind of like the OnePlus 7 Pro more. The Galaxy A80 obviously allows you to have some benefit here with the rotating camera. You get wide and super ultra mega 9000 wide selfies, so that is a plus point of having this rotatory camera mechanism. Now all three models come with wide angle lens, and this is where you start to see some major differences. Both OnePlus 7 Pro and the Galaxy S10 are very sharp in wide angle mode and sharper than Galaxy A80 when it comes to zooming in. If you're shooting in good lighting conditions and you zoom in, the A80 will do much better, but in tough situations it's gonna suffer. So switching to the wide angle lens, the S10 blows everyone away with its beautiful colors, sharp and vibrant. The wide angle camera on the Galaxy S10 Plus is seriously improved. I really like the colors. The portrait mode on all phones do work on objects as well, but Galaxy A80 kind of struggled here despite having a TOF sensor, which doesn't really make sense, whereas both S10 Plus and OnePlus 7 Pro did a much better job. Moving on to the night mode, where Samsung Galaxy S10 is improved so much. The super night mode is indeed here. You can see it's super bright. OnePlus 7 Pro is also doing a very good job. With Galaxy A80 night mode, you do lose a lot of details, so it's definitely not on the level of the OnePlus 7 Pro or the S10. I took a low light picture of a moving subject, and basically only the Galaxy S10 was able to keep it in focus with no blur. Both OnePlus and A80 kind of blurred out the subject. More night mode action, and S10 always brings the most light in the scene. Samsung really did up the game here, and it's also the only phone among these three that can do night mode with wide angle lens. Both OnePlus 7 Pro and Galaxy A80 cannot do wide angle lens with night mode. The A80 is not able to keep up. We do have a lot more noise coming in. Now don't use wide angle lens on the OnePlus 7 Pro or Galaxy A80 in dark condition. As you can see, we have a very dark result. The wide angle on the OnePlus 7 Pro definitely needs a night mode assist, so it's better to shoot with the main camera and use the night mode and get some decent result. The overall night mode on the OnePlus 7 Pro is pretty good, but I can't say the same with the A80. A very tough shot where the subject was really dark, and Galaxy S10 did a wonderful job in exposing those shadows, where OnePlus 7 Pro kind of struggled and A80 just couldn't bring the shadows up at all. Now when it comes to the selfies in the night, this is where A80 A80 should theoretically shine because it's the rear camera that is working on the front, but no, it has noticeable noise, a little bit worse than the Galaxy S10. And here I just love the quality of the OnePlus 7 Pro. Accurate colors, nice skin tones, and it's also sharper than both of the Sammy boys. I have to say, with the overall selfie result, I'm really liking what OnePlus 7 Pro is producing. Now let's take a look at some video samples. Now all these phones can shoot 4K videos, whereas the OnePlus 7 Pro and S10 can go up to 4K 60 FPS. I did shoot in 30 frames per second. Here you can see the OnePlus 7 Pro struggles the most when it comes to optical image stabilization. It has the most shaking, so you might want to be more steady when it comes to the 4K video on the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now once again, the S10 is the only phone among these three phones that can do wide angle in 4K mode while you're shooting the video. So that is pretty good. OnePlus 7 Pro cannot do wide angle mode in any of the video modes, whereas the Galaxy A80 can do wide angle while shooting the video, but only in 1080p mode. So that's it for the camera comparison. I have to say, Galaxy A80 is the best in the A lineup, but it's definitely not the best when it comes to the competition. OnePlus 7 Pro is doing a really good job. It's very comparable to the S10 Plus, and of course it is a flagship phone. Snapdragon 855, 90Hz display. If you look at other stuff, it's better to spend more and get the OnePlus 7 Pro or get the S10 Plus if it's in the same price range depending on where you live. The A80 is a nice concept, but there's just too many compromises. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about the overall quality of the pictures. Are you still interested in the A80? Let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.